right, after adding the date, the car insurance and the price, we will add a constant. Let's store a date using the built-in date constructor provided with JavaScript. We are going to put ourselves here, so we're going to mark const expense date. Don't forget to put a capital D is equal. Then we are going to do the same thing again. We're going to write const this time. It's still going to be expense, but this time we'll mark car insurance. And a third one, always the same, expense amount in a date. And don't forget to add the date 28/02/2022. Here we have our amount. Normally it's all good. Do not worry if it's underlined, it will be removed. Then after that, we will go back to the return here. We will make some changes. So here you can remove all that. And inside you put expense date dot to ISO string, like this. This one you don't touch. We're just going to change that into H2. We are going to add expense title, and here you're going to remove that to add a $sign. In there you put expense amount. Normally you have it here. We have added our expense date, our expense title, and our expense amount. And now with that we can move on.